In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using Microsoft Teams for work, school, or personal use, knowing how to adjust the zoom can greatly enhance your experience, making everything more readable according to your preferences. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams application. If you're unfamiliar, you can locate the Teams app by clicking on your computer's Start menu or search bar and typing in Microsoft Teams. Once you've identified the app, simply double-click to open it up. Next, you'll need to log into your Teams account. Use your email and password associated with your Teams account to get started. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with your account's dashboard, showcasing your conversations, meetings, and more. This step is crucial as it allows you to access all the features and functionalities of Teams, including the ability to zoom in and out. With Teams open and ready, let's shift our focus to the top right corner of the application. You'll notice 3 dots, which is known as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots reveals additional functionalities that go beyond the basic interface. Go ahead and click on them to proceed. After clicking, you'll see several options available to you. The one we're interested in for this task is the zoom feature. Within this options menu, you can adjust how much you want to zoom in or out. This can greatly affect the readability and clarity of your workspace, especially if you find the default text size too small or large for your viewing comfort. If you're seeking a quick and straightforward method to zoom in and out beyond the options menu, look closely at your screen. You'll notice minus and plus signs, often situated nearby or within the same menu settings. These symbols are your zoom controls. Clicking the minus sign will zoom out, providing a wider view of the interface, while the plus sign will zoom in, enlarging the text and icons on your screen. Adjusting the zoom can help tailor your Teams experience, making it more accessible and user-friendly. Especially during lengthy meetings or collaborative tasks, having your screen perfectly scaled can mean the difference between missing important details and staying actively engaged. And that's it. With these simple instructions, you can customize the zoom level on Microsoft Teams to better suit your needs. Make sure to experiment a bit with the different zoom levels until you find one that's most comfortable for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps make your Microsoft Teams experience more enjoyable and efficient. Stay productive, and see you next time.